Over 50 years ago, Contech was the first manufacturer of plastic gravity sewer pipe. And for the past 35 years, Contech has pioneered the successful manufacture and installation of larger-sized PVC sewer pipes. We are focused on meeting the growing demand for high-performance yet cost-effective sanitary and storm sewer infrastructure product. Our A-2000, a seamless profile wall PVC pipe extruded with a smooth interior and corrugated exterior, has an impressive record of field-proven performance. Since its introduction to the USA in 1984, millions of feet have been successfully installed in sanitary sewer, storm sewers, sub-drainage, irrigation, reline, and roof drainage applications. Contech's A-2000 PVC piping is dependable where it matters most, down in the trenches. Tough, durable, and impervious to chemicals found in normal sewage, A-2000 is engineered for gravity flow applications to installed depths of 30 feet or more.
Our rigorous testing ensures that A-2000 meets the strict requirements of ASTM specification F949. It also meets ASTM F794 and AASHTO M304.
Available in 4-inch through 36-inch diameters, in standard 12.5-foot, 14-foot, or 22-foot lengths, A-2000 is designed for efficiency, savings, long-term service, and performance. A-2000 installation is faster because of the pipe's high stiffness, light handling weight, easy-to-stab joints, and a gasketing system that allows for easier field modifications. A-2000 is often laid with smaller construction crews. Once it's installed, A-2000 continues to save money. Its smooth interior helps it to stay clean and reduces the possibility of buildup and stoppages. Superior joints and gaskets stay tight, controlling infiltration, exfiltration, and roof penetration. Unlike many PVC sewer pipes, Contech's A-2000 is manufactured from a low-filler PVC compound, meeting a minimum cell classification 12454, the only cell classification allowed for PVC water pipe. This results in long-term strength, proven durability, and superior creep resistance. A-2000's gasketed joints contribute to the integrity of the complete sewer system, with its patented, specially designed double sealing gasket on the spigot end. The gasket is seated deep into the bell, providing superior tightness. A-2000 joint tightness greatly exceeds the 5% deflection requirements of ASTM D3212 when tested at 10.8 psi internal pressure. A-2000 has been tested to 25 psi and 50 psi internal pressure for 18 months without a leak. Manning's coefficient of 0.009 gives the A-2000 superior hydraulics. Its smooth, glossy interior, coupled with joint and fitting designs that minimize recesses at the bell, provide for uninterrupted flow, less sliming, and lower maintenance costs. Additional cost savings may be realized by downsizing the pipe diameter or laying the pipe on a flatter grade or slope. Contech's A-2000 PVC pipe is compatible with solid wall sewer pipe and standard manhole connections because of its controlled outside diameter. This can eliminate the need to stock a second line of repair fittings. It's manufactured to the exacting dimensional requirements of ASTM F949, and a complete package of field repair items and tapping materials are available. For over 35 years, A-2000 has proven itself in the field, strong and durable, built to withstand tough conditions. A-2000 is the answer to your site development and rehabilitation challenges with acceptance of 100-year design life by industry experts.